Today I'm going to show you this panel. We call it DBC panel. This is the end for the control. This one we call it DBC. Whereby this one is one which makes this our MCB be automatic. It is connected to our AHU. One I showed you to the earlier video. All the things that are in AHU are connected here. There is return fan, there is supply fan, there is also the our VFD, also it's connected here, and the whole of our panel is connected here. Whereby this panel is the one which gives command to our MCB or our AHU panel, whereby if there is any incident with a fire, it will get the signal, then it will click from here, it will send the signal to the MCB, then MCB it will go off because it is in auto. So all these one are the controllers. All these are the controllers. Whereby when all the things are connected here, all the controllers are connected here, it means that this is the master control for BMS. Remember, BMS is a building management system whereby everything is centered to control all the things. After we connect all this, all the commands come from here to the panel, and the panel, if it gets any command, it will react according to the panel, to the command, either switching on or switching off. So then at the end, we have this cable, which is, we call it data cable. This cable, we call it data cable, whereby this data cable is connected to our main control, that is our control room, whereby they can monitor this system through the computer because it's computerized. It starts here. This is our main. This is our main power, which powers this, the main DBC or the main controller. You can see red, black and yellow. Red, life, neutral and earth. It is connected. It is consuming of 230 volts AC. Then at the other side for the control, because we have relays inside the controllers, we have relays such like this one. These are the relays which we have also inside the controller. This inside there is the same relays. So for the relays, because they are using small current or small voltage, we have this step down transformer. It steps down from 240 or 230 to 24 volts. Then it comes to power this. All these are interconnected. All are connected. You can see from the main, it's connected. Then there is this cable to connect the other one, meaning all are interconnected to give the end to give the end to the control room, so that all the control can be sent to the control room. So the one who is in the control room can be able to monitor everything and can also have power to control through this cable or BMS. Thank you for watching and be enlightened to know more. This is our diagram, all the details from the main power, how it goes inside, We have this socket, you saw it in the panel. We have this power which comes here inside as I shown you. Then we have this BDC. You can see they are interconnected. All they are interconnected. You can see the exits, then they are all interconnected. These are the connectors, meaning all this panel is interconnected to give the output or the source to the control room to be able to take control of this or to manage the building. That is then, this is a transformer. This is a transformer. So it gives the power this. Then after it gives this power, then it is connected to our BDC controllers. Thank you for watching. You are most welcome to my next video.